All right, everybody, let's get together and say hi, sweeties. Everybody, 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hi, sweeties.
What's up?
Hi, sweeties, and welcome to Sweet Savant. Thank you so much for coming back. Please subscribe and hit that notification button so you'll get a reminder every time I upload a new video just like this one. And today, I got my family here with me, my husband, the kids, and we are going to do an unboxing. But before we do that, anybody want to take a guess at what's in the box? What do you think is in the box?
You've been hyping it up a lot.
What's in the box?
Is it another cat?
I hope it's not another cat because this box has been
What do you mean,
sealed
you
up. What do you think is in the box?
Rice.
Rice?
Yeah.
That's right. We're going to unbox some rice. No, we're not. You want to guess?
3 pairs of shoes.
I wouldn't do an unboxing with you over 3 pairs of shoes. It would be serious. All right. You're all wrong. Let's open the box. You want to open it?
No.
Open the box. So I ordered this a couple of days ago.
Boy, do I love cutting toward
I
myself.
don't. Please don't cut your fingers off. And I thought this would be a fun unboxing to do with the family. Let's see.
Oh, what? What?
Yeah, go play with the paper. That's all yours.
It's a
You gotta show the camera.
it's a nostalgia retro pop-up hot dog toaster.
Oh, what?
Do you put like the whole thing in there?
Yeah.
Hot dogs and buns.
Hot dogs and buns in a hot dog toaster.
That's what I'm talking about.
So, hot dogs for dinner tonight. Let's take it out of the box.
Let's eat.
Let's go. Let's unbox it again. Break it open.
It's all tamper resistant.
Yeah, you can cut it
Oh, there
if you
go.
want
I
to.
got it.
Okay. So, yes, this is a hot dog toaster. I hope we have hot dogs. Here, I'll hold that. Let me look at this. I'll go over the retro pop-up hot dog toaster instructions, and it has recipes because, you need a recipe. Do you want me to grab that box there?
Sure.
Save these instructions. Cook 4 regular-sized hot dogs or 4 extra plump hot dogs at a time. Warms 4 hot dog buns at a time. Adjustable cooking timer and stop cooking button. 2 removable hot dog baskets. Includes mini tongs for removing hot dogs. Crumb catchers for easy cleanup.
Crumb snatchers.
Crumb catchers?
Sounds great on wheels.
This is not a toy. Do not touch the hot surfaces.
Just like
Unsupervised young children and cognitively challenged individuals should never operate this appliance.
Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna head out.
Do not use outdoors.
Looks like a car.
It does. All right, let's see. Pop-up hot dog toaster. So let's show the camera what the top looks like. Show you that right there. I'm going to read the rest of the instructions, and then we're going to put some hot dogs in there.
Put sausage in
If it fits. Okay, well, we'll find out.
it? You know that hot dog is considered a taco?
And you can pull it out. The hot dog baskets, I guess if you want to wash them. Well, that's good. And then it's got a crumb catcher.
Crumb snatchers.
Crumb catcher on the bottom, I think. Let's take a look on the bottom for the crumb catchers. Or is it on the side? Oh, there we go. Hey, you found the crumb catchers. So those are the crumb catchers. All right, not too complicated. All right, I'm gonna wash these, and then we'll get some hot dogs. We have 3 different kinds of hot dogs. We've got ballpark hot dogs. They plump when you cook them. So we'll see if they fit well into the hot dog toaster. We've got the Oscar Mayer Wiener. And those are a little thinner. These are longer, bun length hot dogs. And then we have these all natural Hebrew National, a little shorter. So we're going to try them in this here hot dog toaster. We've got 2 Hebrew National beef franks in here. And then we're going to do a side-by-side comparison and do 2 ballpark franks in here. And I'm going to hand that off to you. Would you, can you hand me a paper towel, please? Okay, thanks. And then we're going to put some buns in. Thank you very much. Have some hot, thank you. I have assistants here. And now we can open up the hot dogs and jam the buns down in there. Let's do another one.
You know what they say, sun's out, buns out. What they say.
I guess they do say that. Jam, does this a little tight fit there?
That's what I say.
You say that? Okay. Keep your buns to yourself, please. Okay. And I'm going to set this to 4. Because there's settings from 1 to 5.
I think the numbers are in hundreds of degrees.
I don't know. You can set it from 1 through 5, and it doesn't really tell you how hot that gets. So we're going to see. It's just, well, that's going to be an issue. Doesn't really fit the buns as well. Maybe these are extra large buns. All right, let's see how it goes. The hot dog toaster has been going for a couple of minutes, loaded up with hot dogs and toasters. Well, it's and toasters, and it's cooking. It's got a little smoke, but it's only coming out of this one side. With where the Hebrew National beef hot dogs were, it is it's really cooking there, folks. All right. Okay. Oh, okay. The toaster has popped. It didn't pop all the way out. Hand me a pair of tongs, please. Or let me get a plate. Hand me a plate. I am, but I also want to. There we go. Uh-oh.
This one?
Yeah. No, a plate.
He's showing you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So here are the ballpark franks in the hot dog cage.
Freeze them.
And here are the, this is how you're supposed to do it. Hebrew National ones. Those are definitely, I'm not using my hands. More well cooked than, let me give you a better look at that. All right, so you can see the buns here got very toasty on the edges, so they're nice and warm, but they're actually cold on this side. That's interesting. Here, hold this bun. And then if you look at the hot dogs, these are the Hebrew National, and they did get a little bit brown on the side, but the ballpark did not get as brown. I'm going to take the temperature of them and see how hot did they get. I've got my digital thermometer here, and we're going to check the inside of each hot dog. And let's see. All right, that's gotten to 124 degrees, 124.5, which is not hot enough to eat. Should be 165 at least. And then we'll try the...
I prefer mine rare.
No, can't have rare hot dogs. The Hebrew National is up to, what, 150? About 150, 149. So it's hotter, but still not up to the proper temperature. So, and I did, when I read the reviews on Amazon where I ordered this, it did say you probably have to put the hot dogs back in for another time. So we're going to take the buns out and put the hot dogs back in. So how was your day?
It was,
Yours?
yeah. I watched G-Force.
That was a good movie.
No.
No? Did we finish it?
No, we didn't.
No.
Why not?
You left. You put it on and you left.
It's not my fault.
I think it is. What about you? How was your day?
Yeah, it was good. All good.
Cool.
Hot dog attack!
Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, where's the...
It's
there
hard.
it is. Yeah, I guess that's how you're supposed to hug it. All right, let's see. Those are a little more roasty. You can take a look at those. Can you see those clearly? All right. And then we'll put those on a plate. Oh, I stood up. And we'll take out the Hebrew Nationals. Those actually look really good. I like my hot dogs a little char like that. All right, let's take the temperature now and see what we got. No hot dogs for cats. All right, so the ballpark, we'll put that in there. So I should take it out and show you. Oh. It's up to 148.8, so it's still not done. So that's going to need another strip, and that's a thicker hot dog than these Hebrew Nationals. Now that's at 180, about 180 degrees, so those are done.
I want that one.
You want this one? So the thicker ballpark franks need quite a bit longer to cook. Those are going to have to go back in another time. So keep that in mind. One of the reviews I read did recommend that you start the hot dogs first by itself with no buns, let them go a round of cooking, let it pop up, and then put them back in, and then put buns in for the second go round of cooking, which will work well for the thinner Hebrew Nationals, but not with the ballpark franks. That plump, when you cook them, they fit in the hot dog cage, but they take a long time to cook in this cooker. Okay, these ballpark franks have gone in for the third time, and they certainly did plump when we cooked them this time. Let's get those out. They have filled up the cage. They are quite toasty. That's actually how I like mine. Let's see if we can get them out. Okay, the Hebrew Nationals are out. This time they have certainly plumped up and filled up the cage. So that's probably about as large of a hot dog or sausage that you want to put in there. Yeah, this one is giving me a little more problem getting it out. Ooh. Uh-oh, it's tearing. It's hooked on the side. Okay, all right. There we go. And now I'm going to take the temperature one final time on that one. Oh yeah. That's at almost 200 degrees. So that is a well done hot dog, which is actually how I like it. So it took a little time, took 3 turns in the hot dog toaster, and you just got to be careful because the ballpark franks that expand quite a bit can get stuck in the hot dog cage, but there you have it. That is done. Hot dogs are ready. Let's see what you got. Show you. That looks pretty darn tasty. Hot dogs all in the garden. Hot dogs covered in cheese. So what do you guys think? Is this hot dog toaster a success?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Would you recommend buying something like this? Or do you think it's
No,
just a fun novelty?
You don't want to toast a hot dog in a pop-up fashion.
Product
That's it.
for you.
In that like one specific scenario, yeah. Nice.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of a cute, fun thing, but I wouldn't recommend purchasing a hot dog toaster unless you really, really love hot dogs. Just wanted to give you a look at one of the hot dog cages, and this is after, just using it for this demo one time. Well, what did we put the hot dogs in? About 3-4 times, and it's already pretty burned. So keep that in mind. I'll have to give that a good scrubbing and see if we can get it bright and shiny. If you take a look inside there, this is the bun toaster part, and the buns didn't quite fit in to the toaster well, so the part that stuck to the metal burned. So that's going to be difficult to clean because you can't really take that out, but you can't take it out at all. So that's going to be an issue. Well, that was a fun demo. This hot dog toaster is cute. I think, when you have company over, it'd be kind of a fun thing to do, but it's not really practical. It works, kind of. The buns have to be sort of on the small side because I have to really jam them in there. And the part that is closest to the element got a little bit over toasted. The hot dogs, even the thinner, the Hebrew National ones had to go in for 2 rounds. The thicker ballpark size had to go in for 3 rounds of cooking. So it's not very practical. So it's not a recommended buy for everyday use, but it's a fun thing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. And have a delicious day.
What?